Hey guys, it's Jovi. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm doing basically 1 year into my Demir Azur, okay, daily pouch. All right, it's the Demir Azur pouch. It's like light pink up here. I love this pouch. But before we begin and I tell you what I think of it, how I've been using it, you know, the specs, yada, 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 please don't forget to like this video. Like it now, like it later, just like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my main channel as well, Jovi Beauty. And follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm Jovi Beauty on all platforms. So please follow, please subscribe. And now let me tell you about my daily pouch. Okay guys, so this is my daily pouch from Louis Vuitton. It is the Demir Azur with this pink. Okay, I got the specs. Let me just pull up the specs so I can tell y'all a little bit about it. I might drop some promo pics in on the side. It is 11 and a half inches by 8 inches, and it's 0.39 inches in width. The pink is rose, okay? Again, Demir Azur coated canvas. It's a canvas, it's not leather. So it's actually very easy to keep clean. I wipe it down. I've had it for a little over a year now. I use it every day. I keep it on plate. I throw it everywhere, okay? I take it with me everywhere. I throw it everywhere. You would think it would be dirty. Nope. Well, for all the money we paid, it better not be. So this costs $745 currently. I believe it cost $745 when I bought it last year. So this is from Paris. Before I even start pulling the stuff out, it's from Paris. I don't know if you can see it. All of my items are from France, which I am very geeked about. New York, United States items, I'm not a big fan of. So let me tell you what I use this for. So we all know I'm a full-time YouTuber. This is my second page. I have a whole first page. I have a lot of things that I gotta get done, right? I'm exhausted when I have to carry my laptop around. It's bad enough I already have to carry a camera, the camera we're recording on, my vlog camera, you know, lenses possibly. And then when I carry my laptop, especially when I'm traveling, it can be a lot. Shoot, when I'm out just hanging out in New York City with my friends, that's where we're from, I don't want to have to do everything on my cell phone. I'm not an everything on my cell phone kind of person. I like separation of church and state, if you understand what I'm saying, okay? So this is when I first got it, I really didn't know what I was gonna use it for. I just know that I wanted it. I really started trying to use it as like a clutch. I still use it as a clutch sometimes, depending on where I'm going. I will throw what's in here out of here and throw my little mini pochette in here and we good to go, right? But for the most part, I use it as it keeps my tablet and my planner, okay? Also a Louis Vuitton planner. I really love this planner. I guess I can make a video on the planner another day, but I keep my planner in here so I always know where it's at. Especially, I keep this on my bed. I keep this very close to my bed at night. Like I said, this is normally with me all the time, whether I'm sitting at my desk, whether I'm, you know, in my room on my bed at night, no matter what the situation is, this is near me. right? Because just in case I might have an idea, I like to write things down, very techie, but I come from a generation where we wrote things down. We had planners, right? My planner's a little crazy, a little hectic, but I love it nonetheless. I was trying to get me the Louis Vuitton inserts this year, but they sold out. And we're already in April, so I'm not even gonna play myself. But next year, oh, your girl is getting those inserts quick, fast, and in a hurry. So I keep my planner in here. As I said, a pen, which is attached to the planner, okay? What else do I keep in here? My tablet, of course. I'm not an Android, I'm not an Apple person. I'm just not. But I do have the Galaxy Tab 6. Right, I got it in the blue. I was gonna get it in pink. I have a lot of stuff in pink, but because I have a lot of stuff in pink, why do I need a tablet in pink? So I keep that for the most part in the planner, the tablet, everything I need to jot things down, write things down, find something, whether I'm in the house, whether I'm in the street, whether I'm wherever, you know, for my YouTube video, for my YouTube videos, for my Instagram videos, for my life. Okay, the only thing that I don't stick in here is the camera, because the camera has its own separate situation going on. But in here all the time, if I have a bag, okay, my bag, you see me with a bag, this is in the bag, okay? So since we got this out, let me say I also have one of those screen wipies. I have a screen wipey in here as well. A thing of Purell that I got from some airport on some plane, child. The Louis Vuitton card. I don't know where I'm sorry for that noise. I think the what do you call it? The QR code tag. I believe this is the QR code tag is still in a box that this came in. Yes, I still have the box. And I got a hair tie. Just a random hair tie. I have hair ties everywhere, but you never know. And when you need a hair tie, child, y'all women, when we need a hair tie, we need to be able to pull in some shit, put our hands in it, and grab us a hair tie. So I keep a hair tie in damn near everything. Okay, the inside is still clean. Like I said, I don't really put anything. Yes, I do keep a pen in here, but for the most part, the pen is always attached and it's in here. The pen is, I buy good pens so they aren't like gonna leak all over my stuff, because we can't have that. Okay, we spent way too much money for this. It is like a suede rose pink in there. Right? It's like a suede rose pink. It's really beautiful. It's really soft. It's really luxurious. That's the thing. It's like if you spend all this money, placing it back in here. If you spend all this money just for these items, they're basically, you want them to last, right? We want them to last. We want them to look good. We want, you know, we put a lot of money and effort into our appearance, into our items, into our stuff. And, you know, it means something. When you invest in Louis Vuitton and other luxury items, you expect them to last long. You know, I expect my pouch to last for a good 20 years. Okay, listen, I'm just gonna keep it honest. I expect my pouch, I expect my planner, I expect all of my Louis Vuitton items to last for as long as possible. So I really try to take good care of them. They're made very well. Okay, listen, just honestly, the way I abuse a lot of my stuff, like I'll just throw them around, and you know, like I said, I'll keep this on my bed. I have like a shelf on my bed, and I just throw this up there. I ain't gonna hold you. Sometimes the shelf be dusty. If this was something else, like a cheaper item, let's say I bought this for $50 somewhere, it would probably be damaged already. I would have had to replace it already. You know, it's all about the aesthetics for me, sis. It's all, everybody, if you know me, you already know that. It's all about the aesthetics for me. So I am very happy with this purchase. It's, you know, I take this to the beach with me if need be, you know, like the pool, depending on what I'm wearing. You know, like I said, you can literally use this anywhere. Yes, I use it daily for my items, but depending on what I'm wearing, if I'm going out, I'll take those things out like I said previously, throw my wallet in there, and we're good. Okay? So yeah, I think I'm done.